Hi guys, postman's bin. 2 items today, or 2 packages, or an envelope. No idea what that is. Ah, some solder. Forgotten I'd ordered that. I think it's 0.5mm thin stuff for the fine soldering work, or finer soldering work. Okay, this one, lamp holders. I know what these are. This is boring. I've had these before. They're just adapters going from large Edison screw to small Edison screw. The reason I've got them is those lights have large Edison screw sockets, but I've been using small Edison screw bulbs in them because I can get them cheap. So that's what that's about. Saving money.